Assalamualaikum and hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, it is going to be a makeup tutorial. I've created this look and I'm calling this the timeless look because it's a very simple yet sophisticated look that you can wear on a lot of occasions. This might also look great as a bridal makeup as well if you're into this kind of thing. But I think this look is just nice, that it enhances my features and at the same time it just gives me that glow. So if you're interested to find out how to get this look right here, then please keep on watching.
Let's begin. First, I'm going to spread my face by spraying MAC Fix Plus all over my face. Then, for a smooth base, I'm using Lancome's La Base Pro as my primer. I like to use a smoothing primer before I put on foundation. And then I'm putting on a layer of MAC's Strobe cream on top of that primer to give my skin that glow from within. For this look, this step is essential, I tell you. For foundation that stays all day, I'm using none other than the Studio Fix Fluid Foundation. Some of my favorite things about this foundation is that it doesn't oxidize much, it sits perfectly on my skin, and it has SPF. So this is definitely one of my top foundations out there. Next, I'm just going to conceal the areas that needs a little bit more coverage using MAC's Concealer Palette. To set everything in place, I used the MAC Studio Fix powder using a powder brush. I applied it all over my face. You can pack this powder on your face and it won't kick up. That's why I bring this powder everywhere. Moving on to brows, I'm taking this eyebrow styler in the shade Lingering to fill in my brows today. I decided to go with a lighter brow color to create a softer look. You can skip this step, but I usually prefer to conceal my brows just to make them look neater. Now that that's done, time for the eyes. I'm using MAC's Paint Pot in Soft Ochre as a base. For this look, I'll be using Zoeva's Blanc Fusion eyeshadow palette, and the first color I'm going to use is this shade Travel Inspired, and just apply that all over the lid. To add some shimmer, I used CLIO's Pro Single eyeshadow and apply that on the front 2/3 of my eyelids using my finger. Next, I'm taking the shade Conked and apply that on the outer corners and into the crease. I'm bringing the color up to below my brows. After that, I'm gonna pick up some of the shade Last Bite and apply it on the outer corners of the eyes using a small brush. Just blend it softly into the crease and this will create the illusion of depth. Then I used the shades Last Bite and Conked to smoke out the lower lash line just a little bit. You don't want to go overboard on this because we want to keep the look soft, okay? Next, we continue with curling our lashes before mascara. I decided to go with the False Lashes Waterproof Mascara by MAC this time round. And then, time for some winged liner. I'm using the Fenty Beauty Flyliner to draw a soft wing for this look today. Once you're done with that, pop on the falsies. Moving on, I'll be using the Waterweight concealer to brighten up my under eye and also just highlight the high points of my face. Just a few drops of this and the coverage is amazing. And then you just blend it all out with the Beauty Blender. Then set the concealer in place with the Studio Fix powder. For contour, I'm using the Hoola bronzer by Benefit to give my face some dimension. I need those cheekbones to pop! And also, of course, contouring the nose to perfection as well. This look is not complete without blush, so I'm using this pinkish powder blush by MAC to add some color to my cheeks. Add just the tiniest bit to the chin as well for a flashed look. Not forgetting highlight to make you glow. I'm using the MAC Mineralize Skinfinish Baked Highlighter on my cheeks, inner corners of the eyes, brow bones, tips and bridge of the nose, and the Cupid's bow, you know, the usuals. For lips, I decided to overdraw my lips a little bit, so I used a lip liner to do just that. Just to make my lips look a little bit more plumpier than it is. And then I took a MAC lipstick in Kinda Sexy and just fill in the rest of my lips. I then proceeded with applying some red lipstick to the inner part of my lips for that bitten lips look. To top it all off, I added some MAC Dazzle Glass Lip Gloss to make the lips look nice and juicy. Finally, you gotta seal this masterpiece in place with a few sprays of Fix Plus and you're done.
Alright, so that's it. This is the final look that I've come up with. I decided to go with cool tones this time because I'm always using warm tones. I think the right tools and the right techniques, anyone can recreate this look. And if you're looking for inspiration for your bridal makeup and this is what you're looking for, then go for it. You can also use it for other occasions, a birthday, a night out, a kanduri, anything, because this is, after all, a timeless look. So you can practically wear it anytime. I hope this has been helpful for you guys, and if you have enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed already, you can click on the subscribe button below. I love you guys so much, and I will see you guys on my next video, inshallah. Bye bye.